Hey guys, this video is going to go over requesting additional product categories for art that you have already requested in other product categories. So I've put art on hold for specific categories, but I want to add additional categories to that. So I'm going to look in my recent box activity. I've got this box called Bear Artwork, and you can see I've already requested these three images for tabletop, and they are on hold for me in the tabletop category. But what happens if I want to also request it for stationery? I can't just add stationery because I need to make sure that I go through the proper availability request to be sure that it's available in stationery. So the way I'm going to deal with this is I'm going to open the image in the art box, and it's going to come up right here. I'm going to click add to jewel box and do my drop down, and I'm going to add it into that same exact art box. So I know that this art box is called Bear Artwork. So I'm going to click on Bear Artwork here, or if it was further in the list, I could start typing here in the box and it would filter. So I'm going to click on Bear Artwork. It's going to re-add it to that jewel box. And then when I go use this little back arrow button to go back to the artwork, now I'm going to see it in my art on hold section. I'm also going to see it in my potential interest section. So here it is in my interest section, and now I can click on that image and I can do a check. And then when I click on the check button, it's going to give me my text box. And at this point, I can say stationery, check availability. And now that image is going to go into an availability check for stationery. So I will be able to find out if that's available for stationery. Once I know that it is available and I put it on hold, it will join up with this other duplicate image and it will say tabletop and stationery. But as long as it's in two different places or two different stages of the box, it will show up twice. So hopefully that will help. And then once I get that is available for stationery and I put it on hold, it'll pop back up and meet with this other image.